Moving on to labeling, so we are now in layout, and the beauty of Plant25 is that because each of these plants are individual components, the component's name, in our case the plant's name, is saved in the background of those components, and you can use the label tool inside of layout to very quickly label your plants. And you can see I've already done a few here. How you go about doing that is entirely up to you. You can change the fonts that you use, you can choose the label styling, you can choose whether diagonal or straight edges. It's entirely up to you. There's no right or wrong way of doing it. However, it's a very quick process however you choose to do it. So all you have to do is click on the plant, and then you can just use your label tool and it knows the name of the plant that you are working on. Just try and get that to go straight. There we go. Knows the name of the plant that you're working on, and you can very quickly add your labels just with a few clicks. What you can't do at the moment is add the numbers of or automatically recognize the numbers of the plants that are connected to those particular groups. You can't create extensions for layout, and there is an issue with SketchUp in that trying to add text to SketchUp, fonts that it recognizes, vector texts, isn't all that straightforward. I think there's a way of doing it, and we're going to be looking to develop that so that the labeling system sits inside of SketchUp and you can count the numbers of plants, but for now it's a manual process. Generally speaking though, you're only going to have a small number of plants of a particular variety in the same place, and you can quite easily count those up. So I think the maximum we've got here is 4 or 5, so it won't take too long to do that. You can either add those as a separate text field, or you can add them as a scrapbook element. It's all totally depends on how you want to actually display your work. So labeling, nice and quick, but there are going to be some developments coming forward to make it even quicker for you.